In this video, I am going to tell you how you can turn off this LG Live from your TV. So it is showing in my TV and I don't want this thing. And it is whenever I do anything on my LG TV, this LG Live which I mistakenly turned on is coming up. So I need to turn this option off. So what I need to do, I need to go to menu of my TV. I need to scroll down and click on all settings, and in all settings you can see in the left hand side there's an option like pictures, sound, programs. So I just need to go to programs, and there's an option of LG channels. So you just need to turn this option off, LG channels, and it will ask you for confirmation. You just need to click on yes, and it will turn off this LG Live from your TV. So I hope friends now you will be able to turn off LG channels live from your TV, and if you still face any problem you are free to comment and I will definitely give you reply. If you find this video helpful, just hit on the like button and also subscribe my channel for my upcoming videos.